All right, guys, your favorite lender, Greg here. Wanted to chat with you about tax transcripts. Part of the process of any loan that we do is compliance and fraud prevention. And as you provide us with income documentation, we will reach out to the IRS to pull what's called a tax transcript. It's a summary of the income and taxes and line items of payments, distributions, all of that. And so in the initial disclosures, you're given a 4506C, which is the request for the transcript of tax return. This is what the form looks like, and we as lenders typically will reach out and order this directly through the IRS ourselves. Oftentimes there's delays, or if there's incorrect addresses, then they also get kicked back. And there are occasional times that we need to have you log into the IRS and obtain tax transcripts yourself. And so this is a little tutorial of how to do that. The first thing you're going to do is pull up a browser and go to the IRS's webpage. That's IRS.gov. And then up here, you're going to find File and Tax Record or Transcripts. And so here's the page, and you're going to need to sign in to your account. And the IRS, any government website, uses this ID.me, and the first time you log in and create an account, you're also going to have to create the ID.me account as well. It does require you to verify your identity, and it does take a little time to get that set up. So just be patient. Once it's set up, any government website you're trying to access, you'll already be set up for that to log in. So we're going to go to sign in. It's going to ask for your email address. We're going to hit continue. It's going to ask for the password. Going to continue. And the factor authentication, it's also going to want to text you. And so you hit text, continue, and grab my phone for the code. Now we are logging into the IRS, and it should pull up on the transcript page as that's what I requested. Now if you look here, there's different types of transcripts. So again, these are summary of your tax filings. So the account transcript would be like, how much do you owe on your account? If your tax liability was $20,000 and out of your W-2s you paid $15,000 and you had a balance of $5,000, it'll show you the full accounting over here. The wage and income transcripts is all of that, as it's suggesting here, the W-2s, 1098s, 1099s. As you get a W-2 from your employer, there's a transcript of that W-2. And really, this is kind of comprehensive of everything, but what we're going after is the return. So the tax return transcript will have the breakdown. What is your income per W-2s? What was your tax liability? How much was your tax withholding, etc. Now, it's showing from the most recent tax filing that they have records of. So 2025, 24, 23, 22, you can even go further back. English or Spanish version. So what we would need you to do is click right here, and that would open up the PDF that we need, and it says tax transcript. So you would provide that to us, and that's it. Make sure you log out, and you're good to go. Hope this was helpful. Thanks, guys.